Welcome to the Carbon Gym. Your mission is to explore ways of trimming down your emissions of the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide that are upsetting the balance of the planet's climate. Whether we know it or not, we're now conducting a huge experiment with the planet's climate and weather patterns. The key to this experiment lies in the vast amounts of a substance called carbon being released from deep beneath the Earth. Fossil fuels, such as coal and oil, contain carbon. Whenever we burn them to run our cars, make electricity or heat our homes, we release a gas called carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Most of the gases in the atmosphere let heat pass in and out in equal amounts. Carbon dioxide, however, does not. Instead, it acts just like the glass in a greenhouse. This is why it is called the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect works like this. Short wavelength sunlight energy can pass easily through glass of a greenhouse and is absorbed by the soil in the plants. These then give off longer wavelength heat, which cannot all get back up through the glass, trapping some of the heat inside, and so the greenhouse warms up. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere acts like the glass in a greenhouse. It lets sunlight in, but prevents the heat given off by the Earth's surface from escaping back out into space, so the heat builds up. Too much carbon dioxide in our atmosphere makes the planet get hotter and hotter, leading to changes in climate such as unpredictable weather, changes in rainfall, droughts, floods, storms and rises in sea levels. Like most other countries, the demand for energy in Britain is steadily rising. We buy more, we travel more, and there are more of us than ever before. All this activity requires energy, which mostly comes from fossil fuels, releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. During the 200 years since the start of industry, carbon dioxide levels have increased by almost 70%. Your carbon footprint is the impact you make on the Earth by the way you live your life. The more carbon you release, the bigger your footprint. Climate scientists estimate the Earth can cope with up to 4 billion tonnes of carbon each year without causing climate change. This is because the trees and oceans can clean up excess carbon dioxide. There are about 6 billion people on the Earth at the moment, so our fair share is around 2.5 tonnes of carbon dioxide per year. Typically, a person living a modern Western lifestyle has a carbon footprint over 4 times greater than their fair share. Our understanding of pollution has mostly been on a local scale, such as a polluted river or pond. When things get too bad, we mend our ways and the river begins to recover. Unfortunately, planet-sized problems like climate change may be much harder to put right. Scientists have recently discovered that climate change behaves in an unexpected and extraordinary way. If greenhouse gas levels continue to rise, we may trigger larger long-term shifts in our natural climate system. We're taking a huge risk. No one knows for sure how the Earth will react to this build-up of greenhouse gases. Concern is no longer limited to environmentalists. Scientists, politicians and communities across the globe now accept the urgent need to develop new ways of living which release less carbon. We must ensure that everyone on Earth gets their fair share of energy and resources, whilst at the same time keeping releases of greenhouse gases down to a level which prevents serious climate change. There is a solution. We already have many of the technologies needed to create a low-carbon future, which is both comfortable and secure. Here at the Centre, people are developing low-carbon lifestyles, which also deliver a number of extra benefits. They create more jobs, strengthen the local economy, provide cleaner air and save us money. We can capture energy from the wind, the sun and the rain without releasing carbon dioxide. We can build houses that use less energy and we can grow food locally. Your mission is to discover ways of trimming your carbon footprint as you explore the centre with your family. To start your carbon fitness programme, here are a few warm-up exercises. They are quick and easy to do, and if we all joined in, we would have a big effect. Turn lights and taps off when you're not using them. Use public transport. Compost your food waste. Shop locally wherever possible. Recycle your paper, cans and bottles. And if you don't really need it, don't buy it.